Am I the only one that didn't know the difference between visibility and display? It's a common confusion among web developers, especially those just starting out. Let's fix that right now. Understanding these properties can make a huge difference in how you design and troubleshoot your web pages. Imagine you have 3 divs stacked neatly. These divs could be anything: images, text blocks, or even other containers. Div A, B, and C. Each of these divs has its own role and position on the page. Now, if we set div B to visibility, hidden, it disappears from view but still takes up space. This means that while you can't see div B, it still influences the layout of the page. The surrounding layout remains unaffected. The other elements around it will behave as if div B is still there. But if we go with display, none on div B, poof! It not only vanishes from view, but the space it occupies is gone too. The other divs move up as if B never existed. This can be particularly useful when you want to completely remove an element from the layout without leaving any trace. Now let's talk z-index. This property is crucial when dealing with overlapping elements. This property controls the stacking order. Think of it as the depth of elements on the page. But here's the catch: z-index only works on elements with a position set to relative, absolute, or fixed. Without a proper position, z-index won't have any effect. So, make sure your divs are properly positioned. Recap time. Let's summarize what we've learned. Visibility. Hidden. Out of sight but still there. This is useful when you want to hide an element without disrupting the layout. Display. None. Completely removed. And z-index? Only plays nice with positioned elements. Got it? This ensures that elements stack correctly and don't overlap in unintended ways. Remember, mastering these properties can greatly enhance your web development skills. Proper use of visibility, display, and z-index can make your websites more dynamic and user-friendly. Now go make your websites shine. With these tools in your arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming a CSS master.